My dear sisters and brothers, there is something peculiar with the flock of the sheep. Every once in a while, a ewe would give birth to a little lamb and reject it. And there could be many reasons for this. Reasons we would never know. And the little poor animal would cry aloud. However loud the little animal cries, the mother would not even turn that side and look at it. And if the little lamb tries to come near the mother would kick it away. And once the mother decides to reject the little lamb, she would never change the mind. And the poor rejected animal would hang the head so low, one would think it is a problem with the neck. Its spirit is broken, rejected, and lonely. If the shepherd does not intervene, it would die, rejected and alone. You know what the shepherd would do in such cases? The shepherd would come and take that little animal, take it to his own home, and hand feed it, and give it warmth by the fire, and wrap it by blanket, and keep it close to his chest, that it may feel his own heartbeat. And when it is strong enough, he would leave it in the field together with the flock. And when the shepherd goes to the flock and calls the flock, who would run first? To the shepherd? Right. This bummer lamb. These lambs are called bummer lambs or rejected lambs. This bummer lamb would run first to the shepherd because this bummer lamb would feel the great intimate love of the shepherd. Not that this shepherd loves this lamb more, but because this lamb has felt the love of the shepherd more deeply, more intimately, more beautifully than the other lambs. You know, my dear sisters and brothers, many of us are bummer lambs. There were moments in our lives we also were rejected, abandoned, and we have felt the love of our good shepherd. Jesus, the good shepherd, and we, the bummer lambs. Today, the Lord wants us to know He is the good shepherd. All of us are precious to the Lord, personally, individually. None of us is born by chance to this earth. Every one of us is sent with a purpose, with a mission. And once our mission is complete, Jesus said, I will come and take you to myself, and you will be with me forever. We are sent to the world that we may complete a precious mission, a task we have in this world. And we will return to a heavenly existence to be with the Lord forever. And on this earth, our life has to be a celebration of love. And that's why when God wanted to send us into the world, He did not drop us individually from the sky. Oh no. He chose two people in love, our parents, that we may be waited for and accepted as a celebration of love. And we were born into hands of love of our parents, waited for. And even before our birth, God had prepared our parents a community of love. Brothers, sisters, a parish, a school, a society, for everything to go right for us, that we may be loved, that we may thrive in love, that we may fulfill a mission on this earth. But unfortunately, this earth is a broken world. A world that does not know how to love. And therefore, we suffered. We are suffering. We always wanted to love. We always wanted to be loved. But often we realized the people who loved us loved with a condition. When their needs were met, they loved us. As soon as we could not meet their needs, they rejected us. It could be a need for money, an emotional need, a physical need, a need for comfort, a need for appreciation, whatever need. We were loved with a condition. Every love was with a condition. Even love of parents. Haven't you heard a parent saying, a mother saying, I bore you in my stomach for 9 months. I gave you birth. I educated you. How much I suffered for you. Is that what you are doing for me? Even a mother's love could have been a conditional love. We want to open our heart to this great love of our God, Jesus, whom we call our God. We want to open our heart to Him and believe this. He's our God. He comes in search of us, knocking at the door of our heart every time we are hurt, every time we are dissatisfied, every time we are offended, every time we feel guilty, every time we commit a sin, a God who comes knocking, if, only if, we open our heart to Him, He will come in and make our life a celebration. My brother, my sister, is your life a celebration? A celebration of love and joy and peace? If not, open your heart to Him. He's knocking. Hear the knock of the Good Shepherd. He will come in. He will make your life a celebration. Amen.